So thank you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Fred Moa. As always, we say subscribe, like and comment and share this video widely. And today I'm teaching you a Swahili Catholic song that is usually sung like Niruhusu Yesu Wangu ninjonge meza yako. Let me play a bit and then we continue. So guys, that song is usually played like that. It usually goes like Niruhusu Yesu Wangu nijonge meza yako, like that, eh? So I'm going to teach you how to play it in the simplest way. So make sure you subscribe, like and comment and share this video widely. So the first part, Niruhusu Yesu Wangu, you play like this using your right hand. I start. You start with a melody. I'm starting from B, then D, then G. Then and then these two. Just practice like that. You start, you start with the melody. That is the first part. And now the second part. And this is another part I'm playing. I'm playing with these two fingers so that you can see well. Alright. Nijonge meza yako. But when you play it the right way, you are supposed to play like. And then now when we combine the first part and the second part, and then now the third part, Unisame dhambi Mwokozi. So how did I play that? You start with you play as fast like that. This part I'm playing. I'm holding these three, these two, these two, and then this, and and then you go back here. These two, then 2, then that part. Let me repeat again. All right. I hope you can see very well. Now let's combine. And then you repeat from the start. Joka ndani yangu. Then that is the full part of the chorus, and then you go. Alright, I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. So let's start from the top. Niruhusu, I want you to understand how to play it using the right hand first, and then the next lesson we are going to cover the left and the right hand. All right, let's go from the top. Let me play slowly so that you can see. We start. Niruhusu Yesu wangu, and then nonge meza yako, and then unisamehe dhambi Mwokozi, uje rohoni mwangu niokoe. So that part. That part. Unisamehe. Kana ndani yangu, nami nikae ndani yako. Na, 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 na. And then Ewe Bwana wanijua. That part you play just like this. And then you repeat. I know when you practice that part, you are going to be able to play this on the right hand very well. And then we shall cover on the next lesson, how to play on the right and left hand side. So let me play the full song and then we shall meet on the next video, guys. So kindly consider subscribing, like and comment, and comment about which another song you want me to come here and teach you. And guys, as I'm telling you, go to my YouTube channel that is called Fred Mwangi Music, and you will find amazing Catholic cover songs there. And also follow me on TikTok at Fred Mwangi Music, and everywhere Fred Mwangi Music or Fred Mwa. All right, let me play and then we shall meet on the next lesson.